Hey everyone, this is Suresh. I hope you have seen my previous video. Let's continue from where we have left. I'm getting three or four. Okay, now how do we see the app cache? Okay, uh, again, app cache is stored for this origin here. Okay, same as other storage mechanisms. Uh, yeah, there is a Chrome Dev tool, and on top there is an application tab. Just click on it. On the left hand side, you see all the available storage mechanisms. Here you see app cache, and when I click on it, uh, I don't see anything over here, and it's an empty app cache store. Uh, because I haven't set any data into the app cache. I haven't even enabled the app cache for this origin. Okay, let's do that now. Um, to enable that, this HTML element has one attribute called manifest. Inside you have to give a file name or a manifest file name, and this name can be anything. It can be any name you can give. The requirement is that this file's MIME type should be text slash cache hyphen manifest. Okay, that is the requirement. So for our demo purpose, I'll just use cache.manifest, and I have already created that file in the root folder. Okay, um, but it's empty. So to enable app cache, we have to add this line. Okay, this is very important. This should be the first line in your manifest file, and this is how you add comments in this file. So I'm just adding uh, my app version. This serves an another purpose also. I'll let you know what how it is useful as we progress. Now I have saved this one. Let's go to the browser, refresh once. You see that immediately you see some data over here. Yeah, so this is the manifest file which we have added, and you can see from where it is served, right? And you can see some data in the app cache. The first one is that manifest file. So we are not mentioning any file, any entries in the manifest. We just said cache space manifest. That's it. That's a basic requirement. Okay. Um, so by default, this app cache would store uh, the document that serves this manifest file. Okay, in our case, this is the document that serves this manifest file. You can see it over here. So this what we so this document is automatically cached. Then the manifest file itself. Let's go to the network panel. So two files are cached. Okay, this whole index.html is cached, and manifest is also cached. Let's go to the network panel. The network panel, now I'm going to refresh. When I refreshed it, it served the index.html, okay, from the cache. You can see it over here. It's 200, but it is served from the disk cache. Okay, this is from the app cache, but all these entries, the other resource, this browser is looking into the app store to get those resources. So as far as app cache is concerned, if you have enabled app cache for your document, whether you are connected to internet or not, it doesn't matter. It's going to serve the document or the content from the app cache all the time. See, and these two resources are also trying to get served from the app cache. Now, how we can serve these two resources from over the network, that we are going to see now. Before that, let me show you one more thing. If you look at the bottom, you can see online. That means I'm connected to internet, and there is one state called idle. This idle is for this entire application storage. It says that whatever data I have in my app cache is the latest one, and it's idling. Okay, just keep this in your mind, and we'll come back to this one later. So now let's see how I'm going to make these files um, getting fetched from or over the network. There is a network section in the manifest file. There you just have to mention star. So okay, before making this change, let me revert this. There's my server running, right? Let me refresh this. You see this one? There is a request from the server for cache.manifest. Let me re refresh one more time. See, there is one more. There's a request from the client to the server for the manifest file. Though this document is served from the local cache, local app cache, or the browser's app cache, it is going to make a request to the server all the time for a manifest file, and it's going to check the manifest file whether it is modified or not. If it is modified, if the manifest file is modified at the server side, then it's going to fetch or download all the resources that all are mentioned in that manifest file. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add this network section. We are telling the browser that, hey, you make a request for all the resources that are not cached in the app cache. Okay, so in this case, index.html and manifest file are index.html and manifest file are cached in the app cache, and all other resources are not cached. That's why it is trying to look at the cache all the time, but we are telling that don't look at the cache area for these resources. uh, Go to the server over the network and get the resources. Let me refresh this part. Before refreshing this one, I have to show you one more area. Uh, uh, okay, let's continue the rest in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.